Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about real cow house airdrop, whether it's a real or just a fake. So it has generated a lot of concern regarding its legitimacy, with various sources labeling it as a potential scam. So the real cow house project promoted as an airdrop of 190 million worth of cow tokens, claiming to connect agriculture with blockchain technology and foster community engagement through participating in Telegram channels and social media activities, right? So generally, you can only access it through Telegram. Now here, but when I got research more and more, multiple reports and discussions on the platforms like Reddit and YouTube have highlighted that this is a very risky thing, right? So here you can see, you can just read it. Most of the time, it's just a scam, they're saying. So here, the very thing is that, and precautions to consider, which I mentioned here, evaluate, promises. If the offer seems too good to be true, it's advisable that this is something which is not authentic, right? There's something which feels like off. Protect personal information. Participants should never disclose sensitive information such as private key or personal data to unverified sources claiming association with the project. Right, so I can just conclude this up, right? I can only conclude that, I cannot call it a scam because there's a lot of mixed signals surrounding the real car house airdrop. Potential participants should exercise extreme caution through research and vigilance and essentially to avoid falling victim to scam. Right, so because this just fall into the cryptocurrency landscape and it's not exactly regulated, so can't say anything. But I will advise you to research this properly before going into this. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.